We'll be looking at how to set alerts today on your profile, as well as some of the tabs at the bottom. So what we have here at the bottom is the master audio. This basically turns off all the beeping for any widget where critical information is coming in. So all you would have to do is toggle this on or off, and that will mute the sound. The next button here is the freeze UI. Basically, when you want to drag and drop your widgets, all you would have to do is, they are locked. All you would have to do is toggle this off, and that will allow you could go at the bottom of the widgets, and all you would have to do is drag them. So you would click, hold down, and as you could see the dotted lines, all you do is drag them and you would see the widget move around. Once you are happy of the placement, all you would have to do is toggle this back on, and all your widgets are frozen into place, so you don't accidentally move stuff around as you're scrolling. We can see here to the far right, you could see that it says please use this zone to scroll. This is where the easiest place to scroll up and down the widgets. And at the bottom here, if there are any questions, concerns, feedback, anything at all that you think could help improve the platform, or anything you're having trouble on, all you would have to do is click down onto this and just speak to our team directly, and we will answer you within an hour or two to get to your concerns and help you out right away. And all you would have to do afterwards is just click on minimize, and once we get back to you, you'll see a little icon up here telling you that you have a message that is unread.